guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a lava lamp. We will need some oil, a jar filled with 3/4 cups of water, some vinegar, some baking soda, and some food coloring. So first, what you're going to do is put food coloring into your water. And then you're gonna put some oil, and then you're gonna put some vinegar, and then you're gonna put some baking soda. And there's gonna be a lot of bubbles coming. And the reaction's gonna be done when the baking soda is all dissolved in the water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!